So we're busy organizing the shop. We need some extra storage space, mostly drawers to organize all the tools. And we've got these shelves underneath the stand for the miter saw. It was wasted space. We did put some of the tools and stuff down there, but yeah, to put in drawers will make the space much more usable. So that's what we'll be doing today, and we're going to show you how to design, build and install them. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to design the drawers in SketchUp. What you're going to do is you measure the inside of the box. That's the measurements you're going to want. So we're going to start off, once you have that measurements, we're going to start off just by drawing basically a flat surface, whatever size, as long as it's bigger than your box. Just quickly before we continue, if you see a banana in this video and you'd like to stand a chance to win a cordless 12-volt Ingo drill, the one that features in the thumbnail and also in the video, go to our website, go to our contact page, fill in the contact form and give us the exact time that you saw the banana in this video, and you will stand a chance to win that cordless drill. Now we're going to measure. Okay, so from the inside, from the right to the left, this box was 909 millimeters, and bottom to top 786. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. Okay, so the thickness of the material is 16 millimeters, so I just say 16. This we need for the size of the drawer fronts. So then you just rectangle from that corner up to there, and then the depth of this cupboard was 550. Then you pull it 550, make group, then we take this piece over here, then we rectangle the top 16. So if you need help with SketchUp, we do provide online consultations. If you want to get started quickly, we do have a few DIY designs on our website. When you buy the design, we have kitchen designs, furniture, and a few office designs. If you buy one of those designs, you get a SketchUp make install file for free. Then you don't have to use the SketchUp web browser. Okay, so now we're going to draw the drawer fronts on the inside. We're going to start off by just drawing a space here, so the drawer front on top doesn't touch the countertop. So normally I do a 3 millimeter gap on top. Then we're going to measure from there to the bottom 815. So we're going to put in 5 drawers, and with each 2 millimeter gap in between every drawer front. So it's going to be 815 minus 8 for the gaps, so 807 divided by 5, so it's 161.4. So every drawer will be 161 millimeters. So from there, from the 3 mil gap, we're going to draw 161 downwards, 161 with a 2 millimeter gap there. Alright, then you just continue downwards, 161, 2 millimeter gap, 161, 2 millimeter gap, and then one more, 161, 2 millimeter gap. So let's see the size of the bottom one. It's going to be a little bit bigger, 161, 2 millimeter bigger, but this drawer front will be the same size. There will just be a little bit of a gap underneath at the bottom, which is almost equal to the top. So, right, now we've got our spacings. Now, time to draw in the start off. I start off with the drawer runner. We're going to put it in 500mm runners here, full extension telescopic ball bearing runners, and they need a 13mm gap between the cupboard and the drawer. Sometimes I do a 13mm on the one side, 14mm on the other side, just to make sure the drawer box isn't too big. So I do a 13mm left, 14mm right. Right, so it's going to be 500 deep as mentioned. So 45 by 500, and then on this side I do a 13. Okay, then I just copy this over and then make it one more bigger. Alright, now we're going to draw the first draw box. Okay, so I just draw a dotted line at the back there just to be able to draw the sides quicker. You'll see now. So 60mm deep there. Okay, so rectangle, boom. Okay, so that's why I drew the dotted line on top here, so I have a corner to attach to there. Okay, now we push it, we see, okay, to the drawer front stop, it's going to be 150 almost, so let's make this drawer 130. So there's a sufficient gap on top. Take this over. Now we draw the bottom. 16. Here's the back and the front. Rectangle 2. Push pull 16. Okay, I'm just going to group this whole drawer so it's easy to move it. Alright, now we're going to just holding control, select the drawer box and the runners, and then copy it to every dotted line we set out. Okay, there we have all our drawer boxes. Now just draw in your drawer fronts from corner to corner. They are all the same size, so we're just going to draw one and copy the rest. Okay, done. Right, now we just want to get it on paper to take it into the shop. Make it easy so we don't have to carry the laptop into the shop. So I just take screenshots and then print it out, take it to the shop. Alright, so we're gonna just delete all these guides. And I just keep the original, copy one out. Okay, just move the drawer fronts, move it there. I just measure out one of them. Okay, then I just measure out the spacings where the drawer is going to come, the runners. That's the bottom of the runner. Alright, and then I take a screenshot with my snippet tool. One like that, save it. And then I just take measurements of one of the drawers. Okay, that's it. And we snip that, screenshot, boom, print it out, and we're ready to go into the shop. Right, and we measure one out. Cut that on size. Then we fix this block so we don't have to measure again. Just one measurement. And then from there on out we just put it straight to this block and it's all the same size. Okay, so these two pilot holes on the sides, that will be to attach the bottom panel from the side here. And then these two holes right there. So that'll be here to attach this front and back sides. So we're using the Ingo impact drill here, 20 volts impact drill driver with a 4 milliamp battery, and for the pilot hole drilling we're just using this 12 volt smaller Ingo drill. Make sure the panels are flush here. There we go. This is the runners we use. 500mm full extension telescopic ball bearing runners. We do a 13mm plus a 14mm gap just to make sure it's not too snug and that the runners can move freely. Okay, so now we've tested it, it's great. All right. Now we have built the drawers. We're gonna show you how to fit the runners and space out the drawers and fit them into the cupboard. We use these square chipboard screws with the square posi bit. This we also get from Galma. Okay, so 3 drawer fronts down, 2 to go. Put 2 screws in from the inside in your pilot holes. Make sure it shows on the outside here. Okay, now you're ready to put your spacers down and then put the drawer front down and then knock it into the drawer a little bit just to make marks and to show you a way to pilot draw the drawer front, and then you can attach it. Okay, so spacers in. Drawer front down. Now you just knock it a little bit. Okay, now you just pilot it. Now you can use your clamps just to secure. Okay, let's check out the space. Is it correct? Remember to take out your spaces. Looks pretty good.